for an update on the extent of the damage and just to find out how things are looking this morning and this damage that's been caused by storm winds and heavy rains in various parts of KwaZulu-Natal appears to be quite dramatic. Well, Jayed is standing there. Jayed Paulse, our reporter, is out in Inanda. Jayed, good morning to you. I mean, yesterday certainly was a very hair-raising day for yourself, your team, as well as all of the residents there. Talk to us about what you're seeing today. Obviously, now we're looking at the aftermath, but still warnings of more severe weather possibly. But you're there. What's it like?
Very good morning to you, Leanne, and to the viewers back at home. And you know, as the sun rises and it's daylight now, I think the devastation on the ground can really be seen. Yesterday when we were here, it was really dark in the afternoon. The team on the ground also really tried to get visuals out, but the conditions on the ground were just impossible to deal with. We had heavy rain, strong winds. I'm just going to step out of shot and show you what is currently taking place on the ground. As people are waking up this morning and making their way to work, this is what they're finding. They're finding electricity poles being uprooted, roads also damaged. Many are also still trying to find some of their clothing and find some of their belongings from their home. As you can see on your screens right now, that's Mandla. I was chatting to him earlier on, and his house was completely gutted. Let's see if we can just try and get a bit closer, Ray, as we walk towards what used to be his home, and now this is just remnants of his home. He was telling me off camera that he witnessed the tornado destroy everything in its path. So let's try and see if we can't get a word in with him. Mandla, if you can just join us. You're live on SABC News. I see you still trying to gather as much as you have left here on the ground. Talk to us about what you saw yesterday.
Hey, my sister, yesterday was heavy. Everything was heavy because this thing is coming wind. Everything was difficult to us, so we can't do nothing that time. The time I see my room is flying, I'm going to my neighbor to be saved. And if I'm going his house, already his house is gone too. We can't do nothing. Everything now is tight because we don't know what we must do now.
Mandla, you know, we saw the videos coming out of social media showing the tornado just causing complete devastation, and I can see from what used to be your home just a little bit that is left behind. Talk to us about what you saw. What was happening? What were the people saying? What were the people doing?
Hey, too much wind is coming with the rain too. So hey, I can't explain because lo moya ubunzima uhamba nemvula and udamage ngisho ama container, so bekunzima sisi njengoba ngilahlekelwe nje kanje, ngilahlekelwe ukudla, ngilahlekelwe into zokugqoka. Singajabula nje ukuthi sithole into ezosenza ukuthi sibuyisele ama rooms ethu ngendlela ekuyiyona ukuze siqhubeke nempilo.
Thank you very much for talking to us, Mandla, and sharing your story. Well, that was Mandla Leanne just talking to us about what he witnessed yesterday when the tornado made landfall here in Inanda. What we are getting from provincial government is that one person was swept away. It is said to be a herder. As it stands now, there has been no fatalities. Government is going to be coming through. We are told the Minister of Human Settlements will also be joining the Premier of the province, Nomusa Dube, as well as the Mayor of eThekwini, Xolisi Kahunda, as they also assess the damage on the ground. It's back to you in studio.